If you're a mango lover, you need to save this one. This is the kind of no-bake dessert that after eating it, everyone will ask you for the recipe. It's light, fruity, and creamy. It's just perfect for summer or any time of the year. Let's make this beautiful mango cake together. No-bake mango cake. Base: 200 grams of crushed Maria biscuits, 150 grams of melted butter. Filling: 3 deciliters of mango puree, 2 deciliters of heavy cream, 1 can of condensed milk, 2 packages of powdered gelatin, hot water to dissolve gelatin. For the topping, 2 deciliters of mango puree, 4 gelatin sheets, hot water to dissolve. For garnish, fresh raspberries or blueberries, mint leaves. Mix the crushed Maria biscuits with melted butter and press firmly into the bottom of a springform pan. Refrigerate while you prepare the filling. Dissolve the powdered gelatin in hot water and let it cool slightly. In a bowl, mix mango puree with condensed milk until smooth. In another bowl, whip the cream until soft peaks form. Add the cool gelatin to the mango mixture, then gently fold in the whipped cream. Pour the filling over the chilled biscuit base and smooth the top. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours until fully set. Soak gelatin sheets in cold water for a few minutes, then dissolve in hot water. Mix dissolved gelatin into the mango puree for the topping. Let cool to room temperature, then pour gently over the set filling. Refrigerate again for about 1 hour until the topping sets. Remove from pan, decorate with berries and mint if desired, and serve chilled. No oven, no fuss. Just a refreshing mango dessert that always impresses. Let it chill, slice it up, and enjoy that creamy tropical flavor. See you in the next recipe. Faça e coma. Press firmly with the back of a spoon or a glass to create an even, compact base. For extra flavor, use Alfonso or Altolfo mango puree if available. If your mango puree is already sweetened, slightly reduce the condensed milk.